I could tell that they love my style. In the club we always bring a crowd. Leave your girl, she might be a while. I can see you in the corner staring, motherfucker. You should take a photo. Oh no, I'm about to go, yo. Shorty dropping low to pick it up, she like a yo-yo. When I'm getting so much action, I should be sponsored by GoPro. Back with a little more Hennessy inside of my red Solo. And I'm that crazy, man, I'm back. Baby, everybody in the club say this track wavy, I get stacks daily, man, these G's don't faze me. I was about to catch a body, but the DJ saved me, man. I could tell that they love my style. Okay. In the club we always bring a crowd. Okay. Leave your girl, she might be a while. Okay. I can see you in the corner staring, motherfucker. You should take a photo. Photo. I swear it'll last longer if you take a photo. Photo. I swear it'll last longer if you take a photo. Oh no, me ain't got no ego, but someone always taking flicks and shit wherever we go. These motherfucking cameras on me like I'm Don Cheeto. Limo full of white girls, I call that shit a kilo. They A-class with them B cups and all they carry is C-notes. That model type did make a fake nigga wanna be me, amigo. So welcome out to my town. You can swim and you can get drowned. Shit, I'm steady walking on clouds. You should take a picture right now. I could tell that they love my style. Okay. In the club we